Well, here we have the a new addition to the St. Luke's Christmas Fair game floor for 2025. One I'm very excited to have been working for the last hour or more. I don't know, time was lost all meeting, but we got the soccer drone cage. And so the idea here, I've been sort of working, collecting the tickets. We got an amazing team here from Vivid who are in the cage, our technicians, keeping the drones running on time. So basically the kids have been coming up, they pay a ticket, and they get an opportunity to fly a drone, which is pretty cool. The object of soccer drones is to navigate your drone through one of these rings that's hanging up here, which sounds easy, but I can tell you from personal experience, it's really not. It's a pretty interesting challenge. Figure out how you get the drone started, and then there's really just two controls. It basically looks like a Nintendo joystick. Basically, you've got your vertical lift and then your sort of lateral movement. But again, figuring out how to combine those two things, it takes a lot of sort of hand-eye coordination and sort of thinking in 3D space. So it's been a lot of fun. It's been really cool to see kids come up and have fun. We had a bunch of kids push through adversity who really found this challenging, but it's been really cool to see them sort of stay the course and figure it out and then, you know, win 5 tickets.
I had a lot of fun with these drones. This seems like a pretty good program. These drones, they give you a lot of like control, and I really like that. I also like the way how ergonomic the controller was. That I think that was like a key feature. Also, I like that plastic ball that covered the drone, like the shell. I think that was like a really nice touch, so that it doesn't get like broken, because I've suffered that fate with a lot of drones, and I don't think I've ever recovered from that. But this looks like a really nice program. I'm gonna check it out further when I get home, see what else they do. I really enjoy these things. I might need to pick one up for myself, actually.
Thank you so much for the experience. It was great. I can't believe it was amazing. It took a little time getting adjusted, but once you got adjusted, it was great. Just being able to move it up, down, back, forward, learning how to tap it this way to go that way, and just seeing it hover. It was like a video game, but right in front of you. So I think it's a great experience. I think kids will be very interested in doing this, and adults also. And keep up the good work. I think it's great, it's educational, it's fun. Check it out.
I'm historically bad at video games, and this was an invaluable experience. I had a terrific time with my friends, learning a little bit about aviation, hand-to-eye coordination, and I could definitely see the future of this becoming a fast-growing sport amongst different schools and children, because it was easy to do, it was a lot of fun, and it's a learning experience. And given the speed, the heights, and the challenge that goes into thinking about how to score the goals was terrific, and I really enjoyed it, and I look forward to playing again. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity.